Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a CV in Canva. So first things first, you have to go to any web browser and then type Canva or sign up in Canva. You can sign up using your email, your Google account, and then you can now create your Canva. So go to create the design and then here you have to search for CV or resume. It will show you samples of a CV or resume, and all you need to do is to pick that specific size that you want to use here. So you can select from any, you can change it anytime. So let's just say I'm going to pick this. So here you can start creating your CV or your resume. However, if you wanted to select or look for a template, and you just want to edit the details such as the picture or the information to make it easier, you can just basically go to the left side and look for the design option. Let's just say this template. All you need to do is to edit the name, information like the city, the address, and also you can change the picture right here. All you need to do is upload a picture and then replace the picture, the career overview, and the information below. So all you need to do is to enter or replace this with your specific detail. You can also add page if you want to. So basically that's it. Now, if you want to change the picture, again, you just have to click the upload option right here and then replace the picture. You can change the template. If you're not satisfied, then again, just change the information here or replace the information with your information. And basically, that's it. I also strongly suggest to use the Canva Pro version to see more templates. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.